Hello, my name is Jay Caldwell with AHB Tooling. We partnered with Ermak on metal 3D printers. This printer is a powder bed fusion selective laser melting machine. It also is capable of doing direct metal laser sintering at up to 99.9% dense parts. Ermak, a high technology manufacturer of shears, press brakes, lasers, and plasma tables, has a very large presence in Europe. They've been gaining market share in the US for many years. Ermak builds its own laser resonators for its flatbed lasers. It only makes sense that they would go ahead and enter into the 3D metal printing market. Because of this, Ermak has been able to offer a very competitive price in 3D metal printing machines. The Ermak and Enavision machines are capable of printing many materials, such as titanium, stainless, and cobalt chromium, as well as many alloys, including miraging steels, aluminum, and many more. The Ermak has designed the Enavision machines to be material agnostic and can run most high quality powders as well. The Enavision machines have been qualified for dental applications as well as many medical applications. The machines are also excellent for research and development as well as prototyping and low production volume printing. AHB and Ermak offer the Enavision machine in various different sizes. The machine comes in sizes from 120 millimeter up to 800 millimeter, including 250 millimeter as well as 400 millimeter. The machines also come with multiple different laser configurations. Please contact AHB Tooling and Machinery if you would like to know more about the Ermak and Enavision 3D metal printing machines. Thank you.